Alright, well, it's time to test the smoke alarms in my house. So yeah, anyways, we're here in my room. I share my room, fun fact. And we're gonna be testing a First Alert SA303. So here we go. Works. I'm surprised that thing still worked. My dog does not like smoke alarms. It's okay. Alright, next we have another wall mount. Well, a wall mount. Model of this one is, it's a P1210E, 10 battery thing. Focus. There you go. It's photoelectric, but has 10-year battery. There we go. And let's give it a test. Works. Alright, now we are in dining room. There's also another P1210E. Oh, almost knocked picture frame down. Uh-oh, it's dead. Well, I'm gonna have to fix that. Last but not least location in the house. It's right here, another P1210E. Huh, it's also dead. Weird. Well, I'm gonna have to let my parents know about this. But yeah, let's go and test the CO alarms now. Alright, now we have some Kidde carbon monoxide detectors. I'm not gonna take down just to get the model, but anyways, here we go. Fun fact, the continuous tone is actually for gas leaks. It's pretty cool how these things do multi-use. Shut off these burn for this, I just click on it. So yeah, let's get another one. There we go. And then one of the last locations. Right in here. So here we go. Alright, so I think that's all the alarms we have to cover in the house. Thank you all for watching. And to test your smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms, because like you saw, the one in there and the one in the hallway are not working, so I'm going to have to replace them. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and have a good day.